Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how you can access data that is already available in Stata. Stata has some data sets that are already available in it. So let me show you how you can do that. So go on File and then go on Example Datasets, then Example Datasets installed with Stata. So these are the datasets that are already available in Stata. So I'll just click in one of them, use. This one is about cars. So just click on that. Then go back to Stata. Then you'll find the dataset has already been loaded in Stata. So to see this dataset, you can go on variables viewer. No, not variables viewer. You can go on data editor. Yes. So this is the data that is already available on Stata. Yes. So let us go back. Let's go back. Another way you can access the data editor is by simply typing the command browse. So browse. Okay. So you have accessed the data editor. So in this video I just wanted to show you how you can access data that is already available in Stata. You can also import data from Excel, you can also import data from Excel if you have data in Excel. I already made a video on how you can get data from Excel and import it into Stata. So you can check out that video. The link is in the description below. So for now, thank you very much for watching and bye.